Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving an issue you're having with Microsoft Word, where it isn't responding, starting, or opening properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, and you want to type in apps and features. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In the apps field, go ahead and type in Office. Best match should come back on Microsoft Office. Go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it and select the Modify button. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. It's going to ask how would you like to repair your Office programs. We're going to select Quick Repair. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. And then select Repair. And it's going to say ready to start a quick repair. This shouldn't take very long, but you won't be able to use your Microsoft programs until we're done. Go ahead and select repair. Okay, so this is done repairing. We finished repairing your Office programs and features. You can now close this window and use your programs. Select close. So if you're still having an issue after closing out of here and then relaunching the Microsoft Word application, you can attempt to run an online repair as well. So if you selected the online repair, fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you're still having a problem after a quick repair, and then select repair, and then select repair. Okay, so it says you're all set. Office is installed now. Go ahead and close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point you should be able to go ahead and open up Microsoft Word and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.